on, boy. Come on. Ah, I'm too scared. I'm gonna go the other way. No, it's unsafe to go the other way. Yeah, she's right. No, I don't think so, so I'm going. Yeah, boy, yeah. This is really, 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 really stupid. I know. See? I made it perfectly. They're just so much like dorks. Anyways, whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Avalanche! What's going on here? Help! Help! I can't get up. Help! Oh no! I gotta go help her. Are you okay? Do you think you can grab my reins? I'm not grabbing those greasy reins. Forget that what it is. Grab it. Fine. Come on, boy, get up. Go up the hill. I can't climb well though. Whoa, whoa! I got them. Now I'm gonna continue my ride. Goodbye, losers. You just knocked out my whole